Apparently you're supposed to rotate your wheels, which is weird because I thought that already happened whenever you drove the car. So that's it, right? What do you mean no? Okay. So whenever we rotate our tires, we're taking the front tires and we're putting them on the back, then we're taking the rear tires and we're replacing them on the front. That way it gets an even wear all around. You'll even see in some cases people take the front and do diagonally and rotate them like that. It's just like mixing them all around. It's kind of like if you had Russia, but for tires. Oh God. I'm gonna torque this bitch on here, the Hulk. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh man. What are you doing? Hey, are you recording? Wow guys. All that with this lovely wrench. No outside sources. Hey, stop that. That's right. Get a nice view of my asshole right here. Yeah. This is what a good wheel looks like. It's not as well worn down. You can see it's still got some tread on it. I don't know how bad the backs are gonna be though. So this is what the backside looks like. There's hardly any tread. You can see it's wearing down more on the outside than it is on the inside. So it means it has a little bit of camber at the same time. Now, if we compare that to our previous, obviously the ones that are driving the car should be the thicker and more suited tires. So we're gonna rotate those two. We're mostly done at this point. We have the front and rear wheels rotated with each other, and that way we can actually put them on the ground and get some good use out of them. Make sure that you do this every 5,000 to 7,000 miles though, otherwise it could end up in uneven wear and tear on your car. Anyways, that'll be it for me, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.